Me name Conley. Ras Fireman Conley talking.
If I die today, how you gonna remember me? If I die today, how you gonna remember me? Arari nangaro nidonkumbura kamin arari nangatu nido ererwangami. Life is too short, you got to live a better life.
Muzika ndiko bika nduchizana banje, nyimbo ndiko mwara ndobo korora banje, kundi ndiko tusa nduchizana banje.
If I die today, how you gonna remember me?
How you gonna remember my name?
Then if you die today,
I say live like Martin Luther King, speak like Hector Peterson, do it like home paper, speak like Bob Marley. I say reason like Haile Selassie, Riniam, Savangwe Bopfukao. Rest in peace to my daddy.
Was a good
Rest in peace to all the warriors that passed.
rest in peace for all the mothers.
Rest in peace, mama.
We're gonna miss you so.
The question is,
If you die today, do you think anyone can remember your name? If you pass on today, do you think anyone can recall all your deeds? What if I die today? How you gonna remember me?
my name?
If I die today, how you gonna remember my name?
It's a ras.
Shuma usiku ndisawe, doing the best I can. Ndichitusa na vangwe ndisatsetse, giving the best I can. Nichipandichira iwani na meliana, chiro ritopana mosi ndichana gai kauribo Maria bao. If I die today, how you gonna remember me? No to Savangana, Shango, how they go remember you? If you die today, how they go remember you?
Go remember your name. I love you. Uja bless. No man can curse.